Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to save battery consumption or heating problem, how to fix heating problem in this video. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more upcoming videos. So let's start. Firstly, you have to just go to the battery option in the settings. There is a battery, or you can find it on search. Just simply click on battery. You can see there is a power saving mode. You can just click on it and then turn on this and it will ready, and with you can use more battery. You can choose wise charging at night all day, or you can just you can use performance mode in the battery settings. High performance mode, smart, or no performance improvement. You can just select it over here. Optimize, you can just choose whatever your app is taking. Whoever app is taking more battery, you can just switch it off by doing this. Foreground activity, force stop, you can just stop foreground activity. It will reduce power consumption and also reduces heating issue in your phone. You can see Instagram and then camera. You can just force stop also. Hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.